everyone, welcome to my week of making and decorating ice cream bath bombs. And let me tell you, that was a really interesting week. First of all, I wasn't sure which design I like for decorating the ice cream bath bombs. I've tried glazing them, I've tried dipping them, but have a look for yourself and see if you like what I come up with. My bath bomb glaze is made of equal parts of cocoa butter and baking soda, but I will leave it in the notes at the bottom of the video, the description. I sifted through very fine mesh and mixed it in very carefully with melted cocoa butter to achieve nice and smooth consistency. So these blue bath bombs have been drying out for a couple of days and are ready to be decorated. But to be honest, I have no ideas how or what I'm gonna do to them. I just know I want to make them look pretty and cute. So I'm just dipping them in my prepared glaze and then putting some white sprinkles, sugar sprinkles on them. And because room temperature is quite cold, the glaze is setting down quite fast, so I need to work fast. But I am not so sure if I'm liking version, and even glitter doesn't help. Clearly I need a new plan here. Something is not working, so let me get some mica and see if I intensify the blue. Maybe that will be more color intense and more balanced. So let's mix everything and let's see what happens. Okay, so ready to dip and add some sprinkles. I think that looks quite okay. Let's go with this design then. So this is how the finished blue ice cream bath bombs look like. But let me tell you, I have not seen my studio as messy as it was this week for a long time. Making bath bombs, it's not only that you need to know how to make them, but also you need to be ready to clean up after yourself. Yep, definitely it was a week to remember. And the weather is raining outside here in fall. Okay, but let's go and make some bath bombs. Let me show you how I make them again. So first of all, I weigh and sift baking soda, and that's where the mess starts. Corn powder gets everywhere. Okay, but let's move on to the cornstarch. That's my next ingredient. And also I weigh and sift it, and then I am ready to grind Epsom salts to a smaller granules so that they match the consistency of baking powder or icing sugar, because I found that it binds easier when it's smaller. A quick cleanup, adding color. This time I'm making the green bath bombs. They are not decorated yet. While all the powders are mixing and blending, I prepare my liquid ingredients, which is coconut oil, Polysorbate, and I add my fragrance at this stage as well. My full recipe is in the description below if you are looking for one, and it's a good start to experiment with the bath bombs. Okay, so here's my confession for this week. If you are wondering why is this crazy choice of music? It's just I wanted to reflect my thoughts this week. I had no idea what I wanted to do. I had 10 gazillion thoughts and they were just jazzing in my head all at once. But let's get back to the bath bombs. Here as my last step, I'm adding grinded up citric acid and quick mix in the mixer again, and then we're going to be ready to mold. Now let's see if we have the right consistency for the bath bomb before molding. Yep, I think we do. It doesn't stick to the gloves and it holds its shape while dropped, so let's go. Today I am using a ice cream shaped mold, a small ice cream shaped mold from Bathbomb molds here in South Africa. I must say these molds are amazing. I packed 100 grams into each and they release very easy. Just have a look. And voila, perfectly shaped ice cream bath bomb. Okay, so here they are. That's how they look. I still need to decorate, but the others are already decorated. And thank you for joining me today, watching my week's progress and experimentation. Please like and subscribe if you think you like the content and my videos. I would really appreciate, and I'll see you next time. Bye.